What's going on YouTube? I am Boss Martin and this is my 1 month review of the Jackal Stage 1 tune on my B8 Audi S4. Alright, so 1 month update of using the Jackal Stage 1 tune, and just to start off, it is absolutely amazing. I've had no issues up to this point with the car or with the tune. Everything seems to be safe and running at its most optimal condition. So this is going to be a very quick video. I'm going to do some launch control, I'm going to do some pulls, and I'm just going to explain to you how it's been over the last month driving with Jackal Stage 1 tune on my B8 Audi S4. Alright, so for the purpose of this video, I'm cruising around in dynamic mode right now. And for most of the video, it's pretty much just me commending Jackal on how good this tune is. It really wakes up the car. Like, it is actually insane how fast you get up to speed in this car. Any other car, you're getting to like, what, 60 miles per hour in a couple of like 10 seconds. In this car, you put your foot on the throttle, it doesn't even feel like you're going fast at first, right? Unless you want to feel yourself going fast. But from a stop sign, just a slight tap of the throttle, you're moving very smoothly. You look down, you're already going 60 miles per hour. And if you just weren't paying attention, you'll look down and you'll be going 80 miles per hour in a school zone. And you know, you don't want that. The progression is just so smooth. So as I said before, the tune has been excellent. I have no issues with the car, and of course I have to see how it does in a year. But so far, it's been nothing but wonderful. All the power is there when I needed. The transmission's just very smooth. And the best part is you can beat about 80% of the cars on the road right now. I'm not sure if 80% is accurate, but any car that you line up against this one, you're going to win almost every time. And that's just with the Stage 1 tune. Now, as I said before about how the power was just so smooth and how you get the speed, but when you don't want it to be smooth, oh my lord, when you don't want it to be smooth, it surely isn't smooth. You will feel yourself being pushed back into the sea, and that's what I love about this car. And overall, as you understand, the customer service with Jackal is very good. I haven't had to contact them this whole time because everything's been working perfectly fine. I've got a bunch of upgrades coming up soon. We'll get the Stage 2, dual pulley, EV5, and all that good stuff, and it's all in just one easy tuner sweep. Stage 1, 2, and 3. It's so simple and just saves so much money using Jackal than going with 034 or somebody else where it's $1,000 per tune. Now, one thing I do know, I'm not sure if the gas mileage is any better. Not that Jackal claimed that it would improve the gas mileage, but I just hope that it kind of would. If anything, the gas mileage is significantly worse. 90% of the time I ride around in comfort mode to save gas, of course. And even then, just city driving, I can just literally see the gas tank deplete throughout the day. And this car takes premium, so it is not cheap to fill up every time. And if I throw it into a dynamic mode, then yeah, the tank is just gone that same day. And that's kind of an over exaggeration, but dynamic mode, I can easily lose about 50 miles of gas in about, what, 10 minutes. But I mean, that's sort of the point. When you put it in dynamic mode, you want to have fun with the car, and that's what happens when you put it in dynamic mode. Burn up a bunch of gas, but it's about miles per gallon, not the miles per gallon, you know what I mean? And we're on the highway right now, and I'm going a pretty significant speed, but it's the fact of how easy it was to get to that speed. Like, you don't even realize that you're speeding if you are speeding. Like I said, the car is not downshifting or anything. You get all that power in just one gear. If I just look away, right, and just put my foot down just a little bit, I'm not downshifting anything. I look back down, and I'm going well above the speed limit. And it was no hassle for this car at all. Now, this is the same effect you have with the stock tune. It's always been a powerful car, but now it can catch you off guard with how powerful it really is, if that makes sense. And as I said before, you can line this car up with literally anything, any common car on the road, and you will smoke it every time. Now, one thing that would really like wake up the Stage 1 tune would be a heat exchanger. Every time I do launch control on this car, I have to make sure I get my charge air cooling temperature down to about 100 degrees. And at that temperature, you can pretty much run a 3.9, 3.8-ish. Or I'm lying, 3.9 is probably the best you get 100. If you get down to about like 70 or 80, you can pretty much run a 3.7 every time. But on average, just running the car, you probably run about a 4.05. That's my average launch control time with this car. It just gets up to speed so fast. If you hop out of this car and just get into any regular old car, you'll come to be distraught at how slow it gets up to speed. And this is more of a testament to the car more than the tune itself, but the tune is absolutely part of that explanation right there. I just downshift twice. I just want to pass somebody real quick. This truck right here, gone. And you just don't even feel it. Like, honestly, everything is just so smooth. And you never have to floor this car. A lot of cars want to get the speed, have to pretty much put the pedal to the floor. In this car, I just tap the throttle, man, and I'm already just going the speed that I need to be. I'm well past the speed that I need to be going every time I tap the throttle just a little bit. Even in comfort mode, it's always ready to go. So as you guys saw, that time right there was a 3.99, and I launched at the max launch control setting. If I launched at 2,500 RPM, I would have got a much better time, because as you heard, the wheels were just completely spinning. If I had another passenger in here, it would have got a better time as well. But that's just an easy case of I need new tires. But as I said before, this will be just a quick video just showing that the car has made it a month with no issues with the Jackal tuning. I can't wait to see how it does in a year. Hopefully I'll have with stage 2 plus, and be running dual pulleys and have a bunch of more power, a bunch of more fun, a bunch of more excitement. But until then, I am definitely enjoying the Jackal Stage 1 tune. If you are thinking about getting the tune, check out a few of my other videos about the car and about the tune, and that may or may not, affect your decision. If you have any questions for me, drop them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video interesting and want to see more content from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also like this video as well. It really helps me out. But other than that, thanks for watching.